the interesting thing about that gift, where your confidence will come from, it's usually hidden. You know, as you're growing up, maybe you were too loud and everybody's like, keep quiet, keep quiet. So you don't speak loudly anymore. You know, it's time to open up, allow your gift to shine, because in your gift is embedded your confidence to do the things. Most of the time when we are too shy and too broken is when we are walking on a path that is not ours. So find the path that is for you. Find the path that gives you the joy, gives you that creativity, gives you that those creative moments, whether you're helping people, whether you're creating something, whatever it is. If it's your true path, confidence is built in it, abundance is built in it, creativity, new ideas, innovations are inbuilt. So I encourage you, walk on your true path. Your confidence will naturally arise because you'll know what you know.